What's up, guys? Train Fam 456 here. Today today we're at Oceanside. Green signal, freight train from Escondido is gonna come, Amtrak's gonna pass by, and all that good stuff. So, yeah, today I brought my binoculars because I never bring them. And yeah, I don't know if you guys hear it. I'll try to put the camera inside. Oh, there you go. See? Green signal. Over here, we still got nothing. I guess you can zoom in, but it's not that clear. Not like with the binoculars. Actually pretty cool. Sorry, guys. So, my dad's freezing deaf to call. Look at him. And there's like two people that are being dumb because they're in the middle of tracks. And then there's a freight train gonna come on track 1. After gonna come on track 2, like they trying to commit suicide. So no. They're trying to kill themselves. Something. They don't want to die. They don't want to die, but that's their choice. I don't care. It's not my fault that they die. It's their choice that they did that. I don't know, like really. I don't know why. No, like really. I don't know. The freight train's gonna come. It's taking so long. The Amtrak train is supposed to come at like, I don't know what you call it, 12:05, and it's 12:10 already, so it got delayed or something. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. No, not end it. Like say bye, guys. No, not like that. I have to turn off the camera, record the Amtrak train passing by, and the freight train, and then I'll put all those parts, guys. I'll put all those parts into. Guys, see that light? No way. All right, so see, I'm gonna create an iMovie. So I'm gonna see you guys after I record these videos because yeah. Okay, and I actually put the trains that I saw, okay, at the end. So I guess I'll see you in a little bit, guys. Alright guys, so I just saw the coaster train. So yeah. So right now I'm gonna put the train video onto like put the first clip that I put, the train video, and then this last part comes all together and then it's one video. So yeah. So I'm just leaving. I'm just gonna be leaving. I don't think so. I'm gonna end the video right here. Huh? I'm with my parents. My mom's like asleep. Bro, she's asleep. Hey, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Yes.
Está viendo al mañi.
Bye, Pelusco.
He always called me Pelusco. It fucking bothers me too much. It bothers me
Híjole, se cayó la cosa esa.
¿Cuál cosa?
Su calzón del binocular.
¿Dónde está? Tú lo
Se quedó
tienes, tú lo tienes. No way. Oh, sorry guys. Ya sin las gallinas. Wow. Oh my goodness. No way. Right. Oh my goodness. 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 I don't know what we're doing right now. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave. Ugh. I'm gonna show half of the journey back home. Yeah. Wait, I'm just looking over there. Or wait, looking over there. I don't know. I don't know what to do. It's 12 o'clock. And tomorrow's Sunday. ¿Qué pasó el tren de coaster? Pasó más el coaster, mami. El coaster. Ajá, yo digo igual. ¿Por qué va a venir ese tren bien tarde? Ya. Vámonos a home. Mami, ¿te gustó tu Oh my. Y el grande tren regresa para atrás a las 1.
No, creo que lo usan las 3.
No, a las 1.
Wow.
A las 1 regresa ese grande tren. I talk Spanish sometimes, guys, so yeah. So keep a mind of that. No way. I'm gonna see my binoculars without even. No, se cayó la botella. Nope. And nope. Alright, no trains. Okay. That's awesome. Oh goodness. Se cayó mi bote. Oh, here it is. Well. Bro. Everything is closed. Bro, like, really? Look at this. Oh, look at that. Bro, it's all lighted up. Movie theaters closed. Pizza's closed. Everything's really closed at this time. What the? Whoa. Oh. ¿Quieres comprar un café en McDonald's?
No, ya.
¿O está cerrado? Pues tenemos café en la casa. ¿O no quieres? ¿Tienes frío? ¿O tienes mucho frío? ¿Era mi suerte? ¿O ya no? ¿Quién se va a dormir?
Ahí La puerta.
Oh. Let me echar una foto. Oh, no. There's someone sleeping on the, like, on the
Bedtime.
on the door of a church. Bro, ya acomodó la cama ahí, sa normal, que se va a dormir ahí. Yeah. Wendy's the riddle? Maybe not. Oh. Yeah, maybe it's closed. Walmart? Oh no, Walmart started at Oceanside. Stater Brothers? What's instead of Stater Brothers? Huh? Hello? A las 10? Oh. No way. ¿Estás bien cansada, mami?
No quiero.
Oh. What? 99 cents? Panda? School college? Oh. El freeway. Ya no sé cómo va el freeway. Let's see. Freeway entrance number 5. Oh my, of course I want. Look, hay poquito carros on el freeway, yeah. It's just, I guess I want to end the video here. So, see you guys later, and have a good day. Because you guys want to watch this like properly. Well, like, yeah, never mind. So yeah, see you guys later, and bye. Alright guys, so the video, I just ended the video. So yeah, there's nobody on the streets and stuff, just that since I said like how I was gonna turn off the camera and stuff, that I didn't like turn off the camera. I just turned it off and then recorded the train video, and yeah. So yeah, I'm just blacked out. So yeah, so don't get confused. So I already ended the video, so I think I won't say bye. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. I'll say bye, whatever. Bye.